Stephen Beverly, a businessman from the UK, said it's convenient and cost-effective to visit so many suppliers who provide latest products at the Keinten fair.
I work for PMS International, a UK importer, and I import plush toys mainly. The company's over 50 years old. It started by my father, and he began travelling to China in the 1970s to try and get the best price. Very convenient and cost-effective to be able to visit so many suppliers in one venue. It's quite nice to be able to see suppliers again. More importantly for me is to be able to look at the product close and to touch it and to feel it and see the size and the value. It's difficult to do over the internet and by email. It's better to have the products in your hands. It's much quicker. I'm just excited to see so much new products and all the customers want new products.
The China Import and Export Fair, also known as the Keinten Fair, held twice annually since 1957, is now underway in Guangzhou, South China's Guangdong province. The second phase of the event kicked off Sunday with 18 exhibition sections and 24,000 booths, attracting approximately 12,000 enterprises.